Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel. So back in our Make Money Online series, I said I'll be talking about YouTube affiliate marketing and various ways you can make money online. Let's talk about affiliate marketing. Now this video is going to be very short, and the next videos will go to practicals. Affiliate marketing is a way of making money online where you promote somebody else's product and you collect a commission in return. So the idea behind affiliate marketing is that there is a company that have a product, then you are connecting potential buyers to that product and getting a commission in return. You have an agreement with the company to promote their product to people that need the product, and they give you a particular amount as commission. It could be a 70% commission, 50% commission, 40% commission. Now when it comes to making money online, right, affiliate marketing simply means promoting a company's product to potential buyers online via the internet, via various social media platforms. So where people are gathered, where people are located, if you take a product that they want, they desire to where they are, most likely they are going to buy the product, and once you make a sale, you get a commission for that. I hope I've not made it complicated. Alright guys, so as I was talking about various affiliate platforms, I'll be heading over to my computer screen so that I can show you guys all the various affiliate platforms, their official website, and how you can create accounts on them. This video, I don't want it to be very long. There are so many affiliate platforms. We have ClickBank. ClickBank is like the biggest affiliate platform in the world, and if you want to sign up on ClickBank, one thing I need to let you know is that if you're in Nigeria, Nigerians are not allowed on ClickBank. However, there are ways Nigerians create accounts on ClickBank. That will be another video entirely. That is if I really have the chance to make a video on that. But then ClickBank, they pay in dollars, and they have a lot of products you can promote. We have Jvzoo. This is the Jvzoo website, jvzoo.com. You can actually create your account on Jvzoo for free. All you need to do is to just come to this place, Jvzoo, start for free, like get started now. You can see instant affiliate program with 800,000 plus active affiliates. Just click on get started now, and you sign up, you create your account with Jvzoo. You can continue the process. Is not difficult, right? Now if you want to look at another affiliate platform, there is Max Bounty. Max Bounty, Nigerians are on Max Bounty, but then there's a way we still go about it. Nigerians are not officially allowed on Max Bounty, but there's a way we use the phone number and stuff we do to create an account on Max Bounty. One of the ways you can actually create an account on this platform that Nigerians are not on is you can probably go on YouTube and search for how to create affiliate account or how to create a Max Bounty account from Nigeria. Somebody might have made a video on it. You just follow this step and let's see if you can create an account from Nigeria. Then there is another one called the Digistore24. You can also create affiliate account on Digistore24. Now it is very important for you to know that ClickBank pays in dollars, Max Bounty pays in dollars, Jvzoo also pays in dollars, including Digistore24. Majority of the affiliate platform I promote products on, they pay in dollar. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to make sure I tell you a way you can promote products for any company without even joining an affiliate website, affiliate platform. Any product you can think of, I'll teach you a trick you can use to promote it, right? And if you are enjoying this content, you are finding this content helpful, just write quality content so that I can know that you guys are enjoying and interacting with me. Let's keep it rolling. Please make sure you watch to the end of this video so that you will not miss out on any trick. Now there's another platform called Share a Sale. This Share a Sale, you can easily create your account here. Look at it, affiliate solutions, whatever. All you need to do is to sign up, create your account on Share a Sale. And once you click on the sign up, you're going to see merchant sign up, agency sign up, and affiliate sign up. If you want to become an affiliate marketer, this is what you click on, affiliate sign up. You click on affiliate sign up, it will take you to a place where you're going to fill all your information, the normal registration thing. I will not be doing that in this video. Now for Nigerians that want to promote Nigeria products, the popular affiliate platform in Nigeria is Expertner. And there are other affiliate platforms in Nigeria owned by Nigerians, but the most popular one I know for now is Expertner. If you want to create your account, you just go to expertner.com, you click on create account affiliate, and you see where you can create your account. You create your account, you register on Expertner. But the problem is Expertner, they charge you money to join their platform. And you earn in naira. But then look at it, once you click on affiliate, you're going to see sign up. You just quickly sign up and they expose you to their product. They tell you to pay a particular amount of money, start promoting and making money in naira. But for me, I make money in dollars. So you can take your time to pick any of these affiliate platform and actually create an account there. And for you that you're in Nigeria and you don't want to pass through the stress of looking for a fake number to register, but you want an affiliate platform, you can create your account and you can begin to promote products and earn money in dollars. Then this last one is very good for you, impact.com. Once you come here, just click on create account. Right, this is the official website, impact.com. Just click on create account. Once you click on create account, the reason is I've already created an account, so all I have to do is to sign in. But if you're a new person, you just need to click on create account and boom, you start using impact.com as well. Right now, from these platforms, you can pick the one you want to create your account on. I have Clickbank, Jvzoo, Max Bounty, Digistore24, Share a Sell, Expartner, impact.com, and we have various affiliate platform. There are so many ones you can actually check online, but like I told you guys, I said I'm going to be teaching you a secret where you can actually look for any product you want to promote, and you don't need to create account with an affiliate platform. You just begin to promote for a company. Let's say you want to promote a product on let me just think of something, microphone, or let me know it's microphone. Let me use a product. I've mentioned microphone. Let's say microphone. All you need to do is to just search from Google microphone plus affiliate. Right, microphone plus affiliate. Once you press enter, I'm going to show you different companies that have microphone that you can promote your product. Look at this now. They said join affiliate program, Fifin microphone. Just open link in a new tab. Blue microphone affiliate program. You open link in a new tab. Sure affiliate program. This is a very special trick. I'm going to make a video on this, on how to find affiliate product of anything you want to promote on the internet. Even if it is not popular, you cannot find it on any affiliate website, you just use that to search. Once you search, you begin to create accounts with that particular company, check the amount they'll be giving you for commission, and you begin to promote the product. This is where I'm going to stop today's video. Like I told you guys, if you find this video very helpful, you find value in this video, just write very valuable information, and let me use this to know people that watch this video to the end. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. Just make sure you create an affiliate account from Impact or any other platform. From there, I'm going to go on the next video where I will teach you guys how to now begin to filter product, pick a niche, select your product and stuff like that. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another premium content.